Hello, my name is James Walsh, and I'm the creator of Central Life. If you're like me, you probably have a calendar hanging on your wall. The problem with our calendar is it doesn't get updated enough. And the other thing is we don't update it. So I decided to start using the calendar app on my cell phone, and my wife started using hers. The problem was I had information on my calendar relevant to me, and my wife had information on her calendar relevant to her. But we had no way of comparing our calendars to each other. And that's when I came up with the idea of creating one central calendar. The calendar lives in the cloud and is accessed by any cell phone, whether it be iPhone or Android, and can also be accessed from a PC. The application allows you to enter stuff on one cell phone in your calendar. It updates it to the cloud in real time and then downloads it to everybody else's phone in real time. You can have as many people in your group as you want. You can have one administrator, 2 or 3 or 4 administrators. You can have 5, 6, or 10 people inside your group. All of the people inside the group access the same calendar. This allows you for your family, friends, and extension of family to allow you to use the same calendar. This way everybody knows where everybody is at, and everybody knows what is coming up on their calendars. The other great advantage to it is if you're out with your friends and you want to make plans, and your wife made plans for you, it shows on your calendar. So you don't have to worry about crossing over and having to cancel your plans in the future. So the calendar app will update in real time and allow you to keep in constant communications with your family. If you're like me, you have a shopping list hanging on the side of your fridge. If you're even more like me, when you get to the store, the shopping list is still hanging on the side of the fridge. That's why I decided to expand the calendar app to also include a shopping list. One of the great advantages is that it lives in the cloud and it also updates in real time. You can also cross items off the shopping list and it will update on all phones. One of the advantages is while my wife is at the store grocery shopping, I look in the fridge and notice that we're running low on milk. I don't remember if milk's on the shopping list. I can pull out my phone, check the shopping list. If milk's not on it, I can add milk to the shopping list and it'll update in real time, and it'll now be on my wife's shopping list, and she'll know at the store that we need to get milk. Again, like the calendar, this will be available to everybody in your group, which also means you can send multiple people around the store to gather different items, check them off in real time, and know exactly where everybody is at on their list. Another one of the features I added to the program is a recipe list. The advantage to the recipe list is that all the users will be able to submit their own recipes with their own ingredients. You'll also have a private and a public function. The private function will allow you to take your recipe and keep it private for yourself, such as a family heirloom recipe. Also, the public button will allow you to publicize your recipe to everybody on the cloud. This will allow everyone to share recipes and have a ton of recipes available at their fingertips. The other function is that if you select a recipe, it'll download all the ingredients right to your shopping list for you, so you don't have to worry about missing any. You can go right through and check off the ones that you already have. The last part is in the meal planner, which is an extension of the recipe application. So you want to know you want to have meatloaf tonight for dinner, but you don't know what size you want to have it. You can open up the meal planner and see thousands of suggestions from people all around the world. Never again will you have to think of a meal. You can simply go to the cloud on your cell phone and look up thousands of ideas. Again, like the recipe application, it will download all those food items right to your shopping list, and you can go through and cross off the ones that you already have. Also like the recipe application, you will have the private and public function availability. Our first stretch goal will be a rating system for the recipes. It'll be a 5-star rating system and allow you to write reviews. Our second stretch goal will be an analyzer. It'll analyze your shopping list and look for items that you may have forgotten based upon how often you buy items in the past. So example, if you buy milk every other week and the shopping list realizes that it's the second week and milk is not on your list, it can bring up a suggestion that say, hey, did you forget that you need to add milk to your list? This will allow you to have the comfort of not worrying about forgetting things that you added to your shopping list that you buy on a regular basis.
So I want to take a look at the prototype calendar. This will most likely change throughout the course of development. The one thing I wanted to take note though was different options will be available, such as different colors for the calendar, and also different styles that'll be available for purchase. So we have the calendar here, and we can just click on the date, and this will bring up the date, and you can change the date if you want. You can put in a title. So we'll put in James's birthday, and the text, party at 2 p.m. until 8 p.m. Then we can set a start time, and we can also set an end time. And we can post it. And as you see, it shows up here, and also because this is in real time, this will show up on all the calendars across all the cell phones that are in your group. Also, the date and time function will be handled, and we'll be able to access from anywhere in the world, from any time zone that you're in, and also handle an update with daylight savings time.